Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. The LOKITHOR 60 watt two-way fast charge. LOJA400. It has arrived and I wanted to check this thing out. This is going to be a Christmas present for one of my friends. Alright, we got this thing out of the box here. And let's go ahead and open it up. We'll set that stuff aside. Here's the main unit, and it's not set up the way that a lot of them are. It's kind of cool. Got a nice carrying handle up top, and this is the first thing I want to show you, and that is a really bright LED. So check it out. Let's turn that on and see if we can get it. Holy jeez, yeah. Okay, that may have blinded me for the next hour or so, but it's worth it. It's cool. Yeah, so that's a pretty neat trick. Then we've got a strobe function, then we've got a SOS function, and then we've got it back off. So really cool there. On the back, pull this plug, and in this box is a bag, and in that bag is our accessories. I'll pull those out right now. And we've got that. We've got an inflator. You screw that on and you can air up your tires, which is really cool. It also comes with attachments so you can air up a basketball or volleyball or whatever, soccer ball. So that's cool. And inflators for, you know, floats, stuff like that. So that's really neat. Now we've got two, it looks like, yeah, two cables for charging. I'm not sure actually. Oh, this one's just a USB-C to USB-C. And that one's USB to USB-C. So some cable adapters for recharging, and also to use this as a power pack, because this is, if you take a look here, 150 PSI, it's the JA400, but it's 1750 amps. That's a lot of amperage, and so the unit is capable of acting as a power pack as well. 12 volts, maximum is 1750, starting charge is 800 amps. That should be enough pretty much to power up anything. Output, USB-A, you got 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and the USB-C is the same, so pretty cool there. Pretty cool, and some warnings and instructions there. All right, well, let's go to the front here, and like I said, we got this, which is a way to both charge and discharge this. We can recharge our cell phones or charge this off of a USB charging bank, so that's cool there. And then this plug right here goes to this plug right here, and that is our jumper. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn this on. We've got a 3-bar, looks like, power overall state of charge, so right now we're at 2. And then we got 0 PSI. I can change that to bar, or I can change it to PSI, and we're gonna leave it at that right there. Okay, but we have pump. We can turn the pump on and off. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Then we press and hold that, and it turns the whole unit off. So a pretty straightforward piece of machinery, but also, I mean, I do a lot of reviews on these. One of the reasons I do reviews on them is because they're cool. The other reason is these are great presents. These are great presents. So I get these things and I review them, and then they go to birthdays and Christmases, because who doesn't need something like this in their trunk? You got a giant flashlight, a giant jump box / recharger, and you've got a inflator and a jump box. So I mean, like, it does everything you pretty much need. Now, it used to be you'd have to have like 4 or 5 different doodads in your trunk to take care of all that. I still like to say, I've got it right here. Now this is well, I'm gonna tilt it up a little bit to show that, but this is the smallest, weakest conventional jump box that you can purchase or could purchase back in the day. I think probably still weighs about 15 pounds, has a lead acid battery in there. I've replaced it at least 3 times, and I don't even know why I still have it on the shelf, because it's been over 2 years since I decided I'm going to get one of these, and I did. And that started a long journey. The first one I bought, and then a lot of companies started reaching out saying, hey, you want to check out our new and improved one? And little by little, they started adding better stuff to them. This one having a much higher reserve capacity, the light and all the rest. But yeah, this had a light. It has state of charge there, and if I flip up, yeah, those LEDs are just enough. It looks like you're holding a lighter to something. It's pretty dull. And then we do have a 12 volt out, so I guess technically this thing offered some of the features of this, but no inflator on it. And it also, these things just go bad every other year, so they're just kind of garbage. All right, well, here's what I do need to do. I need to inflate a tire and jump start a car. So, well, I need to inflate a tire, and then I need to jump start a tractor is what I should have said. So we're going to take the camera and this cool tool outside, and we're going to do both. And I guess that'll wrap things up. Of course, I'll leave a link to where you can find one of these things. They're available online. Let's do it. These, I don't know if they're flat. They don't look like they are, but we'll go ahead. It says 9 PSI, so I'm going to up that. We'll make that one 20 as well. And make that 15. Let's see. Ready? There it is. It stops when it hits 15. Cool. All right, we'll call it done. I'll do the other ones off tape. And now let's jump this booger. So in order to do that, I'm going to unscrew this. I'll put my cap back on. And we're going to flip up this right here. And the cool thing is, maybe hard to see on camera, but one of these has got a square edge so that you don't accidentally plug it in backwards, you know, your hot being negative or whatnot. So we'll leave it like that. Now, my battery's back behind here. I'm going to hook that up. Juice up the positive first. All right, let's see. Works really well, honestly. I can't complain. I like the fact that it's hard, you can't really see it, but here we are at 13.7, so we've used about 1/10 of its capacity trying to start this little girl. Well, I guess that'll do it. It's the LOKITHOR JA400, and you can do a lot with these little boogers. It's a great Christmas present if you haven't already got one for your folks. And I will see you next time, my friends. Take care.